Hey there, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad and this is Tech News 8.0. Today we are gonna talk about PUBG ban, its release on PS4 and OnePlus's next flagship. So let's get started. PUBG was launched for the PS4 on December 7, 2018, killing its exclusivity on the Microsoft Xbox. The game was initially available with the three maps that existed in the game already, namely Erangel, Myanmar and Sandhawk. PUBG is available in both digital and physical form at the following rates: Disc Edition for $30, which includes the base game; Looters Digital Edition for $30, which also includes the base game only; the Survivor Digital Edition for $50, which includes the base game, Weekendy Event Pass, 2300 G-Coin pack and 20,000 BP, while the Champions Digital Edition is the highest one in the range of available packs and costs $60 and includes everything as that of the Survivors Digital Edition, but has 6000 G-Coin pack instead of the 2300 G-Coin pack in the Survivors Digital Edition. PUBG and Sony have also partnered to make some exclusive content for the PS4, including the Nathan Drake desert outfit from the Uncharted series and Ellie's backpack from The Last of Us. Staying on the topic of PUBG, there were rumors making its rounds in the social media around the end of last year and well into this year, that is 2019, that PUBG will be banned this year. But excluding the only one case of PUBG ban in the VIT campus and hostel, there is not going to be any ban on PUBG nationwide. It is fake news that it is not going to be banned. So you can continue playing PUBG without fear of losing it, but I do strongly recommend that you do control the time you spend on PUBG, as it is a very addictive game. The rumors were circulated as a letter that stated the Maharashtra court has imposed a ban on it, but such a ban has not been imposed anywhere in India, and you can be confident that it is not going to be happening anytime soon. Upcoming OnePlus Flagship prototype was leaked by Ishan Agarwal, the same person who leaked the promotional and marketing images of OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. From the image, it is not clear if it is OnePlus 7 or the 5G ready device that will be unveiled alongside it. The image shows that CEO Pete Lau holding one of the devices in his hands. The device's rear side has a Motorola-like dual camera setup along with an LED flash on a hump. This design may not be final, as the device is still in design and prototype stage and the design is subject to change, but it is surprising, as in the day and age when manufacturers are increasing the number of cameras on the back of phones, OnePlus is still sticking to the dual camera setup. But it is worth noting that Pixel still has only one camera and Google has done an amazing job with the software, but I don't expect that much of software magicry going on with the OnePlus device. Anyways, the device is also almost certainly going to have the newly launched Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, as that is the flagship processor. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as usual, links to all the articles will be in the description. So if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, and if you did like it, do hit the thumbs up and check out more videos here and in the descriptions. Do subscribe and share if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave feedback and suggestions for videos in the comment section, and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.